Hi, this is a worked example of differentiating trig functions. Now most trig functions that we're going to differentiate are going to be a composition. So this first one, f of x equals 4 cos 5x. Now we're going to use the table of trig derivatives from our formula sheet rather than the table that's in the textbook, because the formula sheet is what you will have during an exam. Now that 4 can stay there, we don't have to worry about that at all, it's just a coefficient. And we look at this cos 5x. Now this is a composite function. The cosine function is the outside and the 5x is the inside. So the derivative of cosine is negative sine of that inside function, which is 5x. And then we need to multiply by the derivative of that inside, which is 5. Now you could leave it like that. Putting that bracket around that minus sine 5x is very important, so it doesn't look like 4 minus something. Tidying this up, we've got negative 4 times 5 is 20 sine 5x. So you've had a composite function here, cosine of 5x. The outside function cosine differentiates to minus sine of 5x, then multiplied by the derivative of what's inside, which is 5, and then tidy it up. This next one, g of x equals tan to 4 of 3x. So this next one, g of x equals tan to the power of 4 of 3x. So the derivative, g dash x. Now this is actually 3 functions embedded together. We've got to the power of 4, we've got the tan function, and we've got the 3x. Now the outside one of that is the tan to the power of 4, so differentiating that is 4 tan to the power of 3 of 3x, then multiply by the derivative of what was inside that bracket, which is tan 3x, and the derivative of tan is sec squared x, so it's sec squared of 3x, and then multiply by the derivative of what was inside that bracket, which is 3. So it's a 3-level composition here. So just going over that again, it was tan of 3x to the power of 4. So you differentiate that outside function, 4 tan cubed of 3x, then differentiate the tan 3x, which goes to sec squared 3x, then differentiate the 3, which is 3. Now tidying this all up, we've got 4 times 3, which is 12. We've got tan cubed 3x, and we've got sec squared 3x.